and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making my version of fondant fancies. In my bowl, using an electric whisk, I'm going to beat together caster sugar, and butter. I'm now going to add in my eggs one at a time. I'm now going to fold in my flour, one teaspoon of vanilla, and milk. I have a 20 by 20 silicone square cake mould. I'm going to now take my cake mixture and place it into my silicone mould. I have preheated my fan oven to 150 degrees. I'm now going to bake this for 40 to 50 minutes in the centre of the oven. Now that my cake has cooled down, I'm going to cut it in half. Next, I'm going to add a layer of strawberry jam. I'm now going to take the top of my cake and place it back on top. I'm now going to place my cake onto grease-proof paper. Now place my cake onto some cling film. I'm going to tightly wrap it. And place it in the fridge for half an hour. Now my cake has chilled for half an hour. I'm going to cut it up into squares. In my bowl, I'm going to whisk together butter, icing sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I have put my buttercream into a piping bag. I'm going to pipe a little round circle on top of each of my cakes. Bowl, I'm going to add 500 grams of fondant icing sugar and whisk in hot water. I'm now going to add 2 tablespoons of icing into a separate bowl and leave to one side. In my bowl, I'm going to add a few drops of strawberry essence, and mix it in. And add a few drops of pink food colouring. I'm going to take a spoon and spoon over a thin layer of icing over my cakes. Now going to leave them to set for half an hour. I'm going to drizzle over the remaining white icing. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.